I don't really like to follow a recipe from A to Z. For me, a recipe is a guide. When it comes to taste, that's when I would use my gut. If I overcook the ribs, I might just end up burning everything inside. I have to keep checking the smell come out from the top of the pressure cook. Today I'm cooking 5 spices veal tenderloin and braised short ribs. I noticed the smell come out from the pressure cooker. I smell like a bit of caramelization already. That means the beef's like start cooking right at the bottom of the pan already, so I choose to open it immediately. Hey Leonard, check the beef. It's really soft already. Because Leonard and I cook the same dish, so we kind of like communicate.
No, it's very soft.
Very soft already.
How long do you put it in for?
1 hour and 10 minutes, I think.
I put it in just after you, so...
The recipe says cook the veal until temperature reaches 60 degrees. I want to stop at like 56, 57 degrees. Take it out, let it rest. After 5 minutes, I slice the veal. And it's really, really moist. Loving it.
Look at her, she's so meticulous, she's calm with her cooking. Yeah. And I always think when you do that, the food that comes out is just brilliant.
Hello. I feel like a proud parent. I really hope that my dish would be one of the best 3.
I think we can see on the plate that you really enjoyed cooking it. Because it looks really pretty good.
It says eat me, really good.
It does,
yes,
doesn't it?
It's really
Let's eat it then.
Hope you enjoyed it.
It is very good.
How good are those ribs?
Yeah. Same with the veal, has very nice flavor.
Oh my gosh.
So succulent.
Oh, brilliant.
She does really have a great understanding of balance of salt and sweetness. And also the 5 spices really coming through.
Yeah.
That beef ribs, that did it for me. The sauce, it's not too salty, but it's really nicely balanced and it's quite nice.
I think the flavors are amazing. Very, very good. It really opens up your senses and you cannot wait for the next bite.
Let's try the next one.